There are 4 knives in the Freeman Guide series. 2 folding blades, 2 fixed blades. In each set is a drop point and a gut hook. Here we're going to take a look at the Freeman Guide folding blade gut hook. Obviously, the knife gets its name by the gut hook at the tip of the blade. The blade is made of a stainless steel, has dual thumb studs. Blade lock is a liner lock. The knife action is very smooth. Locking action is very smooth, and the opening is very smooth. The handle is made of has a rubber overlay on it. Very ideal for dry, wet conditions. And take a look at the knife closer. You can see a lot of jimping here. Very aggressive. Deep finger grooves. Knife feels really good in the hand. On the back of the knife we have a lanyard hole. The knife does come with a nylon sheath. Sheath has a belt loop and other loops for multiple carry options. There you go. That's your first look at the Freeman Guide folding blade gut hook. For more information on this product, check us out online at rockynational.com. Call us toll free at 1-800-705-2040.